Do you want to glow your art? And want to start this type of editing? So first open IbisPaint X application. Now click My Gallery option. Click on plus icon. Click Import Picture option. Now choose your drawing which you want to glow. Now choose any size. Click on Cancel option. Now click on Layers option. Now click on plus option to add layer. Then go to the first layer and change the background color white into black. Now adjust the brightness. Always take below 40% brightness. After this again click on plus option. Click back option. Now click brush icon and click on brush. Then choose airbrush, triangle, option. Now click on color option. And adjust color which you want to apply. Now apply it. Click again layers option and click plus icon. Now click normal option and change into add. Now click back option and apply. This is how you can get glow effect.